Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to get unlimited free coins in Honeytoon. If you like to get the free coins in Honeytoon so you can spend it, I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply go to the browser and then you have to search for Honeytoon. Then click onto the first link and get to its website. Once you get to there, just simply make sure you're logged in with your account. Then you have to click onto this account option from the top right, and then you will get to this page. Now here we have two different options through which you can get free coins. First, you become a member and then you will get a lot of benefits including free coins. And then second option is that you follow the Honeytone on Facebook, Instagram, X, also known as Twitter, and TikTok. By following there, they share their free coupons or free coins or maybe such offers through which you can avail them and you will be able to get free coins. So if you follow them and engage with their posts, watch their stories, you will get the coupons, and once you use those coupons, you will get the free coins. So that's how you can get unlimited free coins in Honeytone. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.